What you got there? You got me some onyx there. So Garcia's Detailing over here at Moody Gardens. We had iDetail bring us out some ceramics so we can get some cars wrapped and some sexiness out here. This is 2025 Moody Gardens Car Show. If you're looking for something to do this weekend, tomorrow, Saturday, come out to Moody Gardens and check out these gorgeous cars. A lot of history here. Garcia's Detailing, as always, on top of the game with iDetail. Thank you, Benny, for the hookup all the way to Galveston with us. Thank you.
Yeah.